Okay, dear brothers and sisters, just listen the story. The police son-in-law. The son-in-law was unwilling to go home because her mother-in-law took too much care of her son-in-law. But the father-in-law was very angry and planned how to drive out the son-in-law. He had a lemon tree. One day, he called his son-in-law and said, "My dear son-in-law, the lemons are stolen by the thieves. I will be happy if you wash the tree, lemon tree." And he also gave him a cloth and told to catch the thief. During that night, the father-in-law wanted to eat rice with water. So he wanted some lemons. So he told the mother-in-law, "Please bring me some lemons, fresh lemons." His wife went to the lemon tree. At the time of plucking the lemons, the son-in-law thrashed her with a cloth. When he came to know that he thrashed his mother-in-law, he felt ashamed. During that night, he ran away from that place. The father-in-law heaved a great sigh of relief. This is all about the Saints group paragraph 4. Please open your books, page 38. Open your books. The father-in-law therefore planned how to drive him out. He means the son-in-law. The father-in-law planned how to drive out the son-in-law. They had a lemon plant full of green lemons. One day he said to his son-in-law, "Kind son, you have seen our lemon tree. The lemons are stolen by thieves at night. I will be happy if you can wash the plant tonight." It means the father-in-law said to the son-in-law to wash that lemon tree. That the lemons are stolen by the thieves at night, so you have to wash that tree. And how to catch the thief? He also gave his son-in-law a cloth. Cloth means henga. Henga, cloth. Cloth. Okay? Cloth. Cloth means henga. In the darkness of night, the son-in-law was waiting for the thieves. It means, according to the father-in-law's words, the son-in-law waited for the thieves near that lemon tree with the cloth. The father-in-law wished to take water rice and asked his wife to bring fresh lemon from the lemon plant. Water rice means आमे बेले बेले कौन करू आमको जिते भल न लगे आमे भात रे पानी ढाली दो है पानी ढाली लेंबू टे चिपुड़ी खाऊ सेमिति द फादर इन लॉ wanted to eat water rice with lemons. So he asked the mother-in-law, or asked his wife to bring some fresh lemons from the lemon plant. When the mother-in-law was plucking a lemon, the son-in-law thrust her with the club. The mother-in-law wanted to pluck a lemon from that lemon tree. At that time, the son-in-law, thinking as a thief, he thrust her with the club. ठेंगारे सासु बुढ़ी की देई पारे भाविला चोर आसी तोलुचु बोली जोर रे गोटे पहाड़ ठेंगारे पिटी देइछि. Coming to know that he had beaten his mother-in-law, जेतले जानिला से ता सासु बुढ़ी की पिटी देइछि बोली, he fails to azan. अजान लज्जित है. अजान तो शाशु पीठ दे जाड़ा जाना पाइला से लज्जित अनुभव कला लज्जित है. He left for his home that night itself. सही दिन रात्रि से घर छाड़ी चली जाइए. The father-in-law he great sigh of relief. ससुर टिके जाओ खुशी हेले तांकर जो प्लान थिला जे केमिति से जुआई पुओ को सेठु तोड़िबे. he heaved a great sigh of relief means आश्वस्त हेले. he a great sigh of relief means आश्वस्त हेले. आश्वस्त हेले जाओ भल है जुआई पुओ घर छाड़ी पलैले. Write down some class works. Now write the present form of the following verbs. Verbs gave, brought, caught, whizzed, stole. Write down quickly. Gave to, give, brought to, bring, caught to, catch, whizzed to, whiz, stole to, steal. Write down quickly. Quick. Then the homework for you. Read the lesson 5 times. Okay, this is the homework for you. Read the foolish son-in-law 5 times. Okay, thank you to all.